Puerto Rican culture, passion, flavor, parties, rhythm, family, friends, blue skies. And we are very proud of being Puerto Ricans.
Okay, let me explain it to you. There's nothing in Puerto Rico like the Hilton.
The Caribe Hilton was the #1 place. Everybody used to perform there.
It was like the red carpet, stars, singers, local artists, and it was exciting.
Oh, boy, do they have big parties there.
I came to Puerto Rico in 1955. Then I joined the Hilton. I used to go swimming every day. I played cards with all my friends here.
The most popular cocktail drink around the planet, the piña colada, was invented here.
Best location, best pools, best service, best restaurants. It's a place where you would feel at home.
This was Caribe Hilton's first hotel outside the US. This is where everything started.
It's a special place, honestly. It's unique. It's unique.
Is on a beeline to perhaps devastate Puerto Rico.
Strongest hurricane to hit in nearly 90 years.
Hurricane Maria slamming.
Prayers are needed for this area.
The sound of Hurricane Maria, I will never forget.
The wind was so fast, you know.
You felt like a bomb hit Puerto Rico.
It was terrifying.
As you heard, one official saying the island is destroyed.
Everybody had devastation. Everybody felt pain.
I don't think we have lived a period like this ever.
The spirit of the island, it was shut down for a while.
This one really, really changed everyone's life.
The hotel is totally destroyed by Hurricane Maria. Truly, truly devastating.
After the hurricane, everything changed.
Caribe Hilton is the life of the area that it's in, and that area has now been darkened and shut down.
20 years working at the Hilton, and the hurricane closed the door. And now I'm waiting, really, I'm waiting to come back.
The Hilton closed right now for the hurricane. Right now, I don't see anybody. I don't know anybody. I'm like lost. I'm lost.
After the Caribe Hilton closed, it's like impact us.
The team members that work here, they are part of my family. So for me, this is truly personal. I have a personal commitment not only to the company, but to my team members and to Puerto Rico to do the right thing, to bring back this iconic hotel and bring it back stronger than ever.
Puerto Ricans are very resilient and nothing takes us down. And I know that that's the same thing with the Caribe Hilton.
It's one of those things you just can't wash away with a hurricane. Not at all.
I think it has the potential to take a leap forward towards the future.
I know they're going to come back even stronger than ever, and it's going to continue being the icon it always was.
We are going to have a much better hotel for our local community, for our team members, and society as a whole. So beautiful. I love this place. Can't wait to see it back.
They're here for the long run, and they're here to rebuild not only the properties, but the communities that surround it.
It's part of my history, it's part of the history of Puerto Rico, and it deserves to open.
I can't wait to get back. Can't wait.
The opening of the Hilton means a symbol that Puerto Rico is back in business.
I'm looking forward to seeing better things because of the aftermath of Maria.
A lot of people will say, okay, the Caribe Hilton's open. The island is back on its feet even more so.